where you offer woodworking lessons, whether in person or through mediums such as Skype. Create a basic website and pitch your services. The other method involves creating a WordPress website for the sole purpose of pitching your services to company and individuals. Let's say you want to be a freelancer writer. You need to pick a niche and build your website, then create a few pages telling people who you are, the services you provide, and showcase a few examples of your work. Then start generating leads for your new services businesses by engaging in guest blogging, podcast interviews, or cloud outreach. If you are looking to take services based business to new heights, then combining the two method will give you a great result. Number 9, create a subscription job board. Job board can make a rather profitable way to earn a living with your website. The process is simple. People looking to hire someone in a specific niche will post a job listing on your site, and your visitor will apply for the job. You can either charge people to post job listing, or you could charge your visitor a monthly membership fee to access the job board. Keep in mind that you do need to have decent traffic in order for such a site to work. A company won't pay to post a job on your site if you are not sending any qualified applicants their way. For example, let's look at the pro blogger job board. Here's companies and individuals will pay a fee for post job listing on their site. Then it's entirely free for anyone who access the apply for the job. Since pro blogger is a authority sites which are larger audience business who post a job will get hundred of applicants for each listing. When creating a job board, make sure you have a solid audience that has a synergy with companies in your space. Number 10. Number 10. Create an online directory. Online directories are not as popular as they used to be, but they can still be profitable. They work in a similar fashion to the job board above, but instead of people paying to post job to get access of the job board, they will pay you a monthly fee for a directory listing. If you have an authoritative sites or get a lot of traffic, then these listings are pretty valuable. Let's say you run a site that's dedicated to web development and design. You produce high quality content and have a solid amount of authority. You would create a directory portion of your sites where web developers and agencies can purchase a listing. This will not only provide them with a solid authoritative backlink, but it could be a niche source of traffic for their business. Usually, directories work by changing a month subscription fee to be listed. You could even charge a premium fee to let business list themselves at the top of the directory, getting even more eyes on their listing. Number 11, sell your website. Finally, one of the most profitable ways to make money from your website is to sell it depending on your sites. This can be a pretty profitable option. And on average, your site will sell for a few times more than what you usually receive per month. This number will depend on a variety of factors, but you can generally expect to sell it from 12 to 30 times your monthly passive income. The following factors will influence the final result. Number 1, the age of your site. Number 2, your domain authority. Number 3, how much traffic your site receive. Number four, how much profit you generate. Number five, your revenue diversification. Number six, the steadiness of your revenue. Number seven, whether your site growing or standing. If you are curious how much sites will generally sell for, then spend some time browsing through the Empire Flipper listing. Ways to make money online without a website. Create a profitable website is a great way to create a long-term passive income online. However, there are still ways you can start making money online without having to create a website. Number 12, publish Kindle books. If you have been dreaming about writing books for a living, then this might be a best time to do. This self-publishing revolution has made it possible for anyone to make a living by publishing books. Self-publish ebooks and paperbacks for free with Kindle Direct Publishing and each millions of readers on Amazon. Keep in mind, since there are a lower barrier of entry, this also means more competition. But by writing the best book possible and satisfying reader expectations, you can increase your chances of success. When publishing your own Kindle books, every aspect of the publishing process is under your control. This means you are responsible for writing, editing, formatting, getting a cover, upload it to Amazon, write book description, and market it. Here are some tips to prove your success as a self-publisher author. Number one, search your niche carefully. Make sure there is a viable book market that is not too competitive but it still has a variable audience. Number two, write the best book possible and hire a professional editor. Number three, invest a high quality cover and book description. These two elements work hand in hand when you need to sell your books. Number four, publish your book as a series and aim to dominate a given market. Your success as an author is entirely under your control. Write the best book possible and build an email list of your ideal readers. That more you will learn and the more ways you make money will be open to you. Number 13, email marketing. Think about how many emails you get in your inbox every day. Lots of these are probably emails, newsletter you have signed up for. Some you can't wait to open every day, while others you wonder how they have even reached you. Creating a niche email newsletter can be a great way to reach a targeted groups of people and create a solid of sustainable business. $1 million businesses like the scheme we build on the back of our daily email newsletter.